Greetings to every one of you. So in this video we are going to discuss another very important concept from data structures and algorithm, that is stacks. Its introduction. Stack is a data structure on which the elements can be inserted and deleted through only one end called top of the stack. So here the insertion operation, it is technically termed as push operation, and similarly the deletion operation, it is termed as pop operation. Let us consider this is a stack in which we can insert the elements, okay, through the end is called the top. So initially the top value is 0 and we are inserting an element, that is 10. So top value is 1, then top value become 2 by inserting 20. Now the top value is at the position that is 4, that is 40. So similarly, if you want to delete an element, so the element which is stored last, that can be deleted first. So that being the case, the last in is the first out. That is the concept of the stack. Similarly, the element that is stored first, that can be eliminated at last. So first in, last out. Both the principle represent the stack, that is last in, first out, and similarly first in, last out. Next I move on to the applications of stack. There are different applications that is available as far as stack concerned. Function calls. See, for example, if you have a function and the main function and which calls another function, that is a f1, and let us consider f1 calls another function, that is f2. Similarly, it calls another function, that is f3. So what will happen if it is f3 is over, then that will return the value to the f2. After performing the calculation, the f2 returns the value to the f1, and similarly the f1 returns the value to the main function. So it is in the order of the stack. Similarly, while checking the parenthesis in a given expression, so number of left braces must be equal to the right braces. The balancing of the parenthesis with the help of this stack, storing the parenthesis in the stack. String reversing. Similarly, if you have a stack on which you will store a string, for example Jamal is a string which I want to restore. So J A M A L. If you want to reverse the string, just to pop out the elements from the stack. So you will have L A M A J. Now you can see that the string is reversed. Similarly, the text editor in which you perform this undo and redo operation. See, for example, we are deleting an element. So which element that is you are deleted? For example, it next deleted the element. So if you perform this undo operation, undo this element first, then we can perform this undo the next element. So in the text editor also, they are using this undo and redo operation, that is using stack only. Similarly, another important the application of stack is converting a infix expression into the postfix expression. Also this postfix expression evaluation. So mostly the computers evaluate the expression by means of converting the expression into the reverse Polish notation, that is called the postfix expressions. So in both the cases, that is infix to postfix expression conversion, similarly this expression evaluation, the stack is used, that we will discuss later. Similarly, maintaining the browsing history, so the website we visited last, that will be stored in the top of the stack. The different types of operating system for memory management, they are using stack. So these are some of the applications of stack. So next let us see how to insert an element in a stack, that is how to push an element in a stack. So push stack, top, maximum stack, and then item. So this top is the value where actually the last element that is available, and this maximum stack is the value of n. You can say that the value of the n, that is the maximum value of the stack. Let us consider the first condition. We have to check a condition. If the top is equal to, if this is a max stack, maximum of the stack, this being the case, see for example if the top value is here, so that means the stack is full. So print, then we have to print a message, print the stack is overflow. The stack is overflow, so we cannot store any value, then return. Then the second step, if the space is available in the stack, then we can store the item into the stack. So for that, first of all, we have to, that is increment the value of this top to the next position. See for example, if it is in 4 and we are incrementing the value, so now the stack, that is top value, become 5, and then after that store the item into the stack. So that is item, the value which actually we want to store, that should be, that is stored in the top of the stack. Now we have stored, so finally just return. So this is the algorithm of inserting an element into the stack. Similarly, that is how to, that is pop the element from the stack, that is deleting an element from the stack. Here also you have to check a condition. If top is equal to 0, if top value is 0, if top is here, that means no element is present in the stack. So you have to, that is print a message, that is underflow. The stack is, that is underflow, return. Step number 2, if the item is available in the stack, we can delete the item. So take the element and store it in the variable, that is item. So take the element from the top of the stack and store it in the variable, that is item. After this, we have to decrement the value of the top. So top is equal to top minus 1, the fourth one is return. So this is the algorithm for deleting an element from the stack. Next topic is types of expressions. We have 3 different types of expressions that is available. So one is infix, then prefix and postfix. In infix expression, the operator will be placed in between the operands. In prefix, the operator will be placed before the operand. In postfix expression, the operator will be placed after the operands. So these are the 3 types of expression, and we will discuss how to convert one type of expression into another type of expression. That we will discuss in our next video. So in this video, we have discussed what is stack and what are the different applications of a stack, how to, that is perform the push operation, and how to, that is perform pop operation in stack. Similarly, the types of expressions. I hope you understood. Thank you. Keep watching.